Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to teach you Mathematics Form 5 Chapter 2, which is Matrix. There are 5 types of matrix, and the first one is a row matrix. It's a matrix with only one row. So you can see the arrow is actually pointed from left to right. And the second one is a column matrix. It's a matrix with only one column. And the arrow is pointed from top to bottom. The third one is square matrix. It's a matrix with the same number of rows and columns. Okay, for the last one is a rectangular matrix. Okay, it's a matrix with different number of rows and columns. So I will come back to number 3 and number 4 later on, and we go to number 5. So my question is, how do we read? Okay, it's always start with row followed by column. Here is the example. The first step is always read the row first. So the row 1 we have first row, and next we have second row. Total is 2 rows. Second step is reading the column, which is from top to bottom. So the first one we have 1 column, 2 column equals to 2 column, which means 2 times 2. So now you can see the row is actually equals to column. That means it's called as square matrix. The next one we have 1 row, 2 row equals to 2 rows. We have 1 column, 2 column, 3 column equals to 3 columns. So we will write 2 times 3. So you can see actually the row and column is not the same. So this is called as rectangular matrix. Lastly, we have 2 matrices are equal if they are on the same order. Here is an example where A will be equal to P because they are living at the same house, and B will be equal to Q, while C will be equal to R, and D will be equal to S. Here is an example of non-equal matrix where A is not equals to M or B is not equals to N. Why it is not equal? Because from the left one is 2 times 2 matrix, while on the right one is 1 times 2 matrix. Are both the same? No, they are not the same, which means they are not equal matrix. Let's take a look on the equal matrix where you can see the right matrix and the left matrix are the same, which is 2 times 2. Take a look at the first question. Are both having the same matrix? We have 1 row, 2 row equals to 2. We have 1 column, 2 column equals to 2. We have 1 row, 2 row equals to 2. And we have 1 column, 2 column equals to 2. So you can see the right and left is actually equals because both are 2 times 2. Next question, we have 1 row, 2 row, 3 row. And we have 1 column, 2 column. And next we have 1 row, 2 row. And we have 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. So 3 times 2 is not equal to 2 times 3. Therefore, this is not an equal matrix. Okay, the next question, we can see K is equal to L, and we are going to find the X and Y. So we are going to find the X where you can see 2x plus 1 is equals to 7 because they are living at the same house and same floor. Next, we are going to find the Y where 3y is equals to 12 because they are living at the same house and same floor. And finally, we get the answer is 4. Thank you for watching.